Behold, my actual dream business. So I just want to share with you guys what kind of business I would want to have if ever magkaroon ako ng $500 million or higher than that dollars. So as you can see, this one is a hotel, and this one is a mall. So yeah, you might be wondering why, bakit hotel or bakit mall? It is, parang gusto ko lang idea ng, ay may hotel, ganun. Gusto ko lang idea na may hotel ka, ganun. Brand name is Lastly. Now, where did it came from? Saan nga ba ito nang galing? It originally came from the character in the Tower of God, Laslek. But I don't really want to just copy it. So then I shortened it and cut the letter C. And bang, it is now Lastly. That's the story of the brand name. And now, explain ko na sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga detalye ng dream business ko. Let's go. Starting with the entrance, dito papasok yung mga sasakyan and iikot pa ganun, tapos pa ganito. Dito, hihinto, bababa yung mga luggage, mga pasahero. And diretso dito, papunta sa parking area. Here's the parking area. And kung tinatamad kang hintayin yung driver nyo, kung gusto nyo na talagang manigarilyo, hindi, ito, smoking area. Yan lang. Tapos ito na, papasok na kayo. Ito yung mga doors or entrance. She's the male one and female in the exit. Ito yung exit. This one is a 5-story building, as you can see. The first floor is dito yung mga gagawin yung pagbubok, kung anong room yung nyo, ganun. And yung mga employee, mga room ng employee. And the other part ng first floor is the dining area. Other part of the first floor is like the dining area. Other part of the first floor is the the other part of the first floor is the dining area. Dito kayo kakain. And yung mga magluluto dito is mga 3-star Michelin chefs. Yes. So, masasarap talaga yung pagkain sa Lastly Hotel. And for the second floor, dito na yung mga rooms, ganun. But pa lang to, parang hindi ganun kamahal. Dito pinakamura. Dito yung mga pinakamura. For the third floor, we have same with this second floor. Not really that pricey. Hindi siya ganun kamahal kasi parehas lang sila ng quality. Hindi ganun kalaki. And for the third floor, ito na medyo improved. So, mas pricey compare sa second and third floor. Kasi, mas malalaki na. Mas maganda yung quality ng mga rooms. And for the fifth floor, is like the VIP rooms. Dito na yung mga mga mahal talaga, yung mga pwede dito yung mga government officials, mga ganun, mga presidents, senators, ganun. Pang mayayaman. And for in the rooftop, as you can see, pwede dito mag-stop over mga helicopters. So for the elevators, we will have here a two two elevators left and right. We also have this side, two elevators. Yeah. And outside of the hotel, as you can see, we have here the pool and the invisible playground. Hindi ko na din drawing kasi tinatamad na ako. And now to the next one, we have here the mall. This mall is only a 750 meters away from the hotel, which is I think not that far and not that close. Sakto lang. So, this mall is a typical mall. Yung pagkakaiba lang dito sa mga ibang mall is yung last floor niya, which is like di mo ba, may pagko-concertan yung mga artist. Pero kaya siya malupit dahil kaya niyang mag-fit ng 150,000 people inside it. So, kaya kung mag-concert ka, maganda dito. Kaso mataas siyang risk na mga madaming mamatay. Ayun lang. Ayun lang naman yun. Salamat.